ways to make money on your phone. This video, 7 ways to make money on your phone, will help you monetize those countless hours you spend staring at your Android or iPhone and continuously scrolling through endless information. We will discuss many ways you can make money on your phone by selling new and used items, your thoughts and services, or doing things you normally do all the time, like playing games or downloading apps. Many people love making money on their phone and say it is not only easy, but it can be a lot of fun. In this video, you will learn 7 ways to make money on your phone. Please subscribe to our channel to help us enhance our presence on YouTube. Here are 7 ways to make money on your phone. Number 1, selling items from your phone. You can make money quickly by selling items from your phone. There are all types of websites that are free to post items, and there are some that charge either a fee or a percentage after you make a sale. Some sites are better for selling clothes, where other sites are better for selling books or household items. You can sell anything from electronics to appliances on the internet.
This video is partially sponsored by DelvixGarden.com, your source for high-quality food supplements and personal care products at low prices. This company has a range of premium products for your health, beauty, and personal care, including organic pine pollen, ceremonial-grade matcha, medicinal herbs, hair dye shampoo, and plant-based protein for weight loss. There are links in the description. Kindly visit their store and use the coupon code FIRST20% to get 20% discount on your first order.
One of the first sites to buy and sell items as well as hunt for housing or jobs was Craigslist. People still use Craigslist to buy and sell items, but you have many sites to choose from. If you want to pull some clothes or shoes out of your closet, some popular sites to make money are Poshmark, Mercari, Depop, and OfferUp. Declutter is a site that specializes in electronics and other items such as CDs, DVDs, and books. Once you decide what type of items you want to sell, you can decide which sites you want to use. As you gain experience, you can post the same items on multiple sites, but don't forget to remove them from one site when you make a sale on another. Number 2, Freelancer. If you choose to make money on your phone by working as a freelancer, you can earn a full-time income or just extra money. Working as a freelancer can give you steady work or one-time jobs, but the list of opportunities is limitless. Do you have a special talent, skill, or just a diligent worker, because there is someone out there looking for you and waiting to pay you for your gift? People are looking for someone to edit their college paper or their book. People are looking for graphic designers. Others are just looking for all types of laborers. Here are some apps that offer freelance work, starting with Upwork, which connects you to clients all over the world. Solid Gigs is an app where they function as an extension to your team, and they try to match your criteria to the type of work that people are requesting. Fiverr is a site where you don't have to bid for work, but instead you post your available services, and then clients can choose the services that they need. Number 3, focus groups. You can sign up for many different focus groups on the internet. Some require you to complete follow-up information. Some are simply signed up for on an hour Zoom call with or without being on camera. You may be asked to join a one-time focus group, or you may be required to participate in multiple groups. Focus groups may pay cash, debit cards, or gift certificates, so be sure to check if it's cash you're looking for. You may earn as little as $1 or up to $500. Number 4, opinion surveys. There are a multitude of businesses that value their customers' opinion, and they hire survey companies to find out what you think. There are surveys done in every field you can think of, including law offices, doctors, retail, and government. While some people may think this isn't the best use of time, it can certainly fill in the gaps while you're waiting in line in various places on your daily commute if you're not driving. In addition to receiving cash, there are also perks like coupons and cash back for online shopping. Two of the most popular online surveys are Inbox Dollars and Survey Junkie. There are also surveys that ask you to download a game or app and give your opinion. These often pay $3 to $10. However, it is usually for only 5 to 20 minutes of your time. Number 5, sell your photos. You may consider yourself an amateur photographer, but with a decent phone, a selfie stick, and just a little bit of skills, you can make money using your phone by selling your photos. Yes, you can make money selling photos of pictures you've taken, items, other people, or even yourself. Fope and Snapwire are both popular apps to make extra money using photos on your phone, and Snapwire even allows you to upload pictures via their website. No need to stop there. There are other platforms like Shopify and Payloads, just to name a couple. However, each site may specify the type of photos they pay for. There is also an app called MyPic, which has some of the same qualities as the other apps. What's great about MyPic, it's a print-on-demand app that allows you to print and sell your photos on various products. Each of these money-making apps have their own special qualities, and all you need to do is determine which one works best for you and start making money on your phone by selling photos. Number 6, language tutor. You do not need a computer for all language tutor opportunities. You can start using your phone and earning as much as $30 per hour as a language tutor. There are so many benefits to using your phone to make money, especially as a language tutor. They pay a high amount per hour compared to other ways of making money, and in many cases, you can set your own rates. There's a high demand for English-speaking language tutors. However, you can increase your earnings if you speak multiple languages. There are sites such as VIP Kid, where you typically earn $14 to $22 per hour tutoring English. Lingoda is a site where you can tutor English, German, French, or Spanish, and the hourly rate is typically $8 to $13 an hour. Verbal Planet has rates ranging from $10 to $30 per hour. QKids is another platform to tutor English that typically pays $16 to $20 an hour. The amount you make as a language tutor will depend on many variables, such as how many languages you speak or how many hours you tutor, but either way, using your phone to be a language tutor can be very lucrative. Number 7, do what you're doing. Unbelievably, there are apps that will pay you just to live life and do what you're doing. What do I mean by that? These apps will pay you to shop, which is something we all do at some point. They will pay you to exercise and sometimes to lose weight or just walk. Isn't that crazy? Who knew you could make money to do what you're doing all the time? This will not replace a full-time income, but can put extra money in your pocket without doing anything extra but clicking a couple of times, which we do for free every day. Flues is an app that rewards you for shopping, and Ibotta is an app that gives you almost instant cash back if you search for and use their coupons in major stores. Sometimes they will give you an immediate $20 welcome bonus just for using the app. There are certain companies that pay you just to browse certain websites or watch videos online. You have probably already missed a lot of money because you weren't signed up. Here are a few companies that will pay you to basically sit on the couch. Nielsen is also well known and helps advertisers learn what the potential reach of any given radio, station, website, or TV show might be, and all you need to do is download their app. Slice the Pie is an app you can sign up for and get paid anytime you leave a review for one of their clients. That means the more videos you watch, recipes you try, songs you listen to, or stuff you use, the more money you can make on your phone. Thank you for staying with us until the end. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel and like it, as well as share our video.